ubwo nagira ngo baza kutunga sente bine kukoza mu gicogo batunjira rwa city kandi bine kwatanisiza hamwe.
You know, to hunt the animal, the elephant. Because if you are one, this elephant will defeat you. So it means we must come together.
Ubwo yerekero kwatuho kwa mani aha muringo gw'abashuzo mu town ya Fort Portal bari kwatamba customer babo. Ubwo agomeze ngo bine kwindura.
Those people will just come and they get frustrated and say, hey, yeah, the place is good, you can see nice great lakes, good environment, cheap, but the handle it is terrible, you know? You can't leave even your laptop in the room, it is gone, you can't move here, it is gone. So, if you don't come up with a strong association, then our businesses will have really big problems. So we must prepare for this big market.
In Fort Portal, people used to be very friendly to the tourists. When Benjamin came here some decade ago, I think everybody used to welcome every white person. But nowadays, I think either the stress, we have the social stress, people think career course is beneficial to tourists. And that's when you organize the motor rallies, people think you are the major beneficiary. But you are doing it for all of us.
Okubasa kumara hekizubeki abakugunu bagira ngo hashimiriye kubaho kwegesubwa kw'abantu aha mugasho gw'abarambuzi kandi nahabwe nkeke buga cha Fort Portal kiri kwetenga abarambuzi.
The community has to be sensitized that if you see visitors around, not only those coming from Europe or America or Japan or wherever, even those coming from within, they should be welcomed with smiling faces. They should be given the best of services, and then we attract some more.
Ahakire nkaka Fort Portal tungireho rubuga rukuru rw'abarambuzi enshonga yo kugira ngo byere kukoze bitari kumara ekirebere nk'ikintu cange kirabaremese kushikiriza imirimo yabo mu town. Abetabiro muri chikoru no bagira ngo town ya Fort Portal ne yongera kubendofa ngo kandi haba hatine kikozerweho abantu na munonga abarambuzi no baza kutandika kwanga kujijamo ruhunda hona nagira ngo imukoreje netekatekwa harengo rwihanga ryona ngo kandi no baza kugitongoza kureba ngo yagumane bo buri mwaka kwenda ngo ikaretera abantu akasente gasha kwa Jonathan Singwiri.